If your mobile phone battery life seems poor or short, one of your installed applications could be using too much battery. You can also change some settings to help your battery last. In this video I will show you 2 tips. I hope it will help you for longer battery life. Number 1. Turn on smart battery modes. All modern mobile devices have a smart battery saving mode. For instance, Android has power saving mode and iPhone has low power mode. These software features modify central processing unit usage for different apps, screen brightness, notifications and various hardware options to reduce energy consumption. You can also check which applications use the most battery. If your battery is dying faster than in the past, see whether apps are using too much battery. You can force stop or uninstall problem apps. Number 2. Turn off location services. Location services use GPS technology to pinpoint your precise location. Letting your smartphone find out where you are is super useful if you're navigating in an unfamiliar area or checking in on Foursquare, but it can also be a sneaky battery drainer. Make sure your location service setting is disabled and turn it on only when you really need it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.